Hello, everybody. Jason Smith here from Miami, Florida, FES instructor. I cannot wait to teach the Millionaire Real Estate Investor class, the best-selling book written by Gary Keller. It's coming up here with FES on Zoom in the near future. So why should you pay attention to this class? Why should you go to this class? Did you know that the first 122 pages of that book have nothing whatsoever to do with mechanics of real estate? It's all about mindset. 122 pages, how important the mindset is, not just in selling and buying real estate, but in owning and being an investor. An investor's mindset is different than a non-investor. Gary Keller, in this class, we're going to share the exact moment when Gary Keller himself became a real estate investor. A light went off in his head. It switched one day, and I'll share that story that he shares with us in the book. We're going to talk about the 5 models of the millionaire real estate investor. Just like in the MREA, the red book, the MREI book here behind me also has models. There's the net worth model, there's the financial model, the network model, the lead generation model, and the acquisition model. We're going to talk about myth understandings of being a real estate investor as well. The myth understandings, very important to pay attention to those. We're going to talk about how important criteria is when purchasing a real estate investment. I'll share with you stories that I've learned myself as a real estate investor for the last 20 years, some of the successes that I've had, and also some of the failures, so they don't repeat the mistakes that I've made. So I can't wait to share it with you. Upcoming FES class, Florida Educational Services, the Millionaire Real Estate Investor. Don't miss it. It's going to be a really good class. You'll get a lot of information from this best-selling book written by Gary Keller. Take care.